Hey everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x. Car door edge paint chips are frustrating for many vehicle owners. If you are concerned about opening your doors in a tight parking lot or even your own garage and potentially chipping the areas around your car door, then our Lamin-x Door Edge Guards are the perfect solution for you. These protective film strips are made to protect the paint on the edge of your doors when being opened into any walls or other vehicles. These strips are adhesive backed and made for a super easy peel and stick installation that can be done in minutes. Our door edge guards are made of a super strong yet invisible 8mm film, and today I'm going to show you how to install these Lamin-x door edge guards. Let's go. To start, you just want to clean the edge of your door from any dust, dirt, or debris because you don't want that to get trapped underneath the adhesive as we install our Lamin-x. And then we'll open our door edge guard kit, which comes with 4 1/2" by 24" strips to cover all the doors on your vehicle. You can also get the length in 36 inches if need be. And now we're just going to remove the Lamin-x from the liner. And because this product is so small, we're actually going to install it without using any moisture on the adhesive side of the Lamin-x or the edge of the door. And starting at the top of the door, you want to line this up and slowly start tacking it on, going down your door, leaving about half of the Lamin-x overhanging the edge of your door. And you want to do this in a lot of tiny, slow, fluid motions, slowly tacking it on. And once your Lamin-x is applied all the way down, we're then going to start wrapping the rest of the Lamin-x around the edge of the door, using our fingers to pinch the film around, making sure we're not stretching the film or moving the part of the Lamin-x that's already been applied down. And once we wrap it around, we'll use kind of a sweeping motion to better apply the Lamin-x all the way down. Repeat this process all the way down your door, and then clean the surface once more, and then your Lamin-x door edge guard is completely installed, and your door is protected from any chipping, scratching, or impact damage that it may receive. You can remove the Lamin-x at any time, and apart from our door edge guards, we also offer Lamin-x paint protection film in the form of our door cup guards, rocker panel guards, A-pillar guards, rear bumper guards, fuel door guards, and complete paint protection kits made for maximum protection. If you want to find out more about our door edge guards or our paint protection product, visit our website, laminx.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.